Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have a Zoom meetup today, and I'm wearing these same earrings again. I'm wearing this necklace. I'm going to try to be a little bit simple. I don't know if I'll be wearing this dress or not. I'm going to style my hair in a few minutes. Well, in a little bit. But before I do that, I would like to just stop and thank my subscribers for your loyalty, hanging in there with me as we work to grow this channel. I appreciate you. I appreciate that you've been liking my videos, sharing my videos, and even posting on Facebook saying, subscribe to Jean G. I especially love your comments because I love interacting with the subscribers. There are a few people that I wake up to every morning, and I want to say thank you for all that you do. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. Maybe you're waiting to see my hair. I have it in two big ponytails right now, and I have it pulled back. If you have not subscribed, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Now, I know that I could go today just like this. But there are days when I feel like my Sisterlocks, my hair, could consume me or could consume others when I walk by. And when I say consume, I mean that they focus right on my hair and nothing else. I see it all the time. My granddaughter and I were in the Walmart yesterday. And if I didn't notice, then she would notice that as we walk by or someone walks by us, their eyes are on my hair. And so she would mention it. I said, oh, maybe they just think that, I wonder who did her weave. Or she has very long hair. But either way, it is my hair that gets their attention. And I've said in the past that I am not my hair. And so today, I'm going to do something a little different. I have never worn this hairstyle before. So I am trying something a bit new. I think I've done this on the way to another hairstyle, but I've never worn this style before. So let's do this. Okay? All right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, and I think this is what I need to do. Put this one in a ponytail. Yes. I look like probably one of the dogs from All Dogs Go to Heaven. Oh yeah. So now I'm going to take this. I'm going to try to do like Kendra and say how easy it is to do my hair. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to take it around and I'm going to tuck it under so it'll be like a Bantu knot. Great. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to take this one around, and I think this is the direction I need to go. And I'm going to tuck this under. I'm trying very hard not to use bobby pins. If you watch my videos, you know that. I don't trust bobby pins in my Sisterlocks. Now, the question is, which direction should I take this one? Okay. So do I need to take you around here? Nope. I think I need to take it around this direction. At least I think so. Now, this side looks better than this side because this side has a hump. Okay. Am I striving for perfection? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm pulling this one out because I can. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Now notice that one's loose. Okay. Just bear with me. Remember, I said I haven't done this before. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this one around. I'm going to take this one around. Now you see that, guys? Okay. Now let's see if we can put it all together. I don't know. What if I just take that one around? Take it around here. Okay. And tuck it. And I'm tucking it underneath there. Okay. Great. So that's my knots. What do you think, guys? I think the knot really is too big. I may adjust it later. And that I may just take less hair from the front and put more hair in the back. I do not want my Sisterlocks to consume me. And this knot in the top is consuming what I think it should be. So what I'm going to do is take this down and I'm going to speed up the video when I style the front. And I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to make these changes. I'm going to take this and see if I can make an adjustment by making it go down a little bit. And all I'm going to do is this. And now I feel like it's secure. and the bun is not as big as it was before, and I like it better. I might also change these earrings because my earrings are now showing. I don't think it does anything for me. I'm gonna let it stay in there, and I'm gonna stop being so vain. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, I love my family, and I especially love God. And I don't like when my hair consumes me. Have a great day.